Yo, what is going on, guys? I am back with a new updated Rivals Roblox codes video. Today I'm going to be showing you a awesome selection of Rivals codes, allowing you to get tons of level 3 skin cases. You can get free keys, skin tickets, all weapons. You can even get admin commands as well. I spent a long time on Google and also watching other YouTube videos. Most of the codes that I tried are either expired, they're either clickbait, or they simply do not supply you much of anything. Now, the codes that I'm going to show you for Rivals are definitely the best ones. So before I get into it, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I am doing a Robux giveaway. And to enter, you simply have to like and subscribe. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this tutorial and show you how to obtain these Rivals codes. And these are working right now in 2026. So you need to use your mobile internet browser just to get your code, and then you can redeem it in your platform of choice. So use your mobile. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android. Go to www.crashcoupons.com. So let's go ahead and type that in, Crash Coupons. Make sure you spell it correctly. You can pause the video and copy that down. Crash Coupons is a game code website that I discovered. I actually play other Roblox games as well, and they have pretty much everything you can imagine. So you're definitely going to want to navigate your way to the Rivals page by using the search bar. That just speeds up the process. So type in Rivals Roblox, and you're looking for the codes page here, guys. And you're going to see straight away there are thousands and thousands of people almost rating this 5 stars. They're really popular codes. As I mentioned, you can unlock all weapons. You can actually get 20 level 3 skin cases for free. You can get admin commands. You can get 10,000 free keys and 1,000 free skin tickets. Now, all of these codes are limited. There is, like this one, 800 coupons. This one's 285. 363, but they do replenish as well, so you can only do this once. So just select the code you want. I'm going to select the skin ticket, the skin case code. I did this earlier, so I won't do it again. Like I said, these are limited codes, so you can do this once. So you can only get 20 level 3 skin cases. You can't do this like 10 times to get 200. I believe it's once per day, and I've already done it this morning. So you need to unlock your Rivals code. You can see it says your code is ready, and essentially to get your code you need to click on this button, and then you're going to be brought to this page where it just tells you how to unlock your code basically, and it only takes about 5 minutes, guys. You need to complete 2 of the free offers. So you're going to have a list of tasks or offers. They're all completely free, and you just need to make sure you follow the instructions below the 2 that you choose. These are things like installing and playing mobile games, running mobile apps. As an example, like you tap on this one, let's just read what it says so we know what to do. Download, install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So you basically tap on it and it'll bring you to the App Store, where you just grab that app and yeah, you just basically open it for 30 seconds. There's also things like this one, which is a survey where you just answer some questions, and then you have to input a valid email address, and that just confirms you're a real person. So if you fully complete 2 tasks, it will send you back to Crash Coupons. Obviously, I've skipped forward. Like I said, I have already done this. But yeah, your Rivals code will be displayed here, and you just basically copy it and redeem it in-game, and that is going to give you 20 level 3 skin cases for free. But they do have keys as well, all weapons and stuff. So yeah, go to Crash Coupons. These are definitely the best Roblox Rivals codes in 2026. So make sure you do like and subscribe for that Robux giveaway as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.